A memorial will be held in Lethbridge in 2 weeks for the victims of last month's triple murder-suicide near Claresholm. On December 15th, Derek Jensen gunned down Tabitha Steppel, Mitch McLean, Tanner Craswell and Shayna Conway before turning the gun on himself. Conway was shot 3 times, but she survived. She's recovering in a Calgary hospital. Mitch and Tanner, both from PEI, were attending the Prairie Baseball Academy in Lethbridge. Tabitha grew up in Lethbridge. A memorial to honor the 3 victims and celebrate Conway's recovery progress will be held January 14th at Lethbridge's NMAX Centre. It will start at 3 p.m. and is open to the public. The event will also stream online so that people in PEI and across Canada can watch. We'll have more details later this week. And a Prince Edward Island hockey team is stepping up to help the families of 2 young Charlottetown men who were murdered. The PEI Rocket has set up an online benefit auction to help cover the cost of headstones for Mitch McLean and Tanner Craswell. Some of the items up for grabs include ice time with the team and autographed NHL jerseys. McLean and Craswell were on their way home to PEI for the holidays when they were killed. The website is peirocket.com. The auction is open until midnight on January the 14th. Other groups are trying to fundraise for the families as well through public skates, concerts and runs.